guys, what's going on? Bitcoin is absolutely going crazy here. It's basically playing jumping rope here with our support resistance zone here. But I found something really interesting that I want to talk about in today's video. So definitely stay here until the end. And if you're new to the channel, please like this video, subscribe, and also activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important Bitcoin and cryptocurrency updates. So and now let's get here straight into the chart, guys. I'm here on the 4-hourly chart. So and I had told you 2 days ago already that we might form here this rising wedge, and if it would break down, it would go to the top here of our support resistance box here. So and that was exactly what happened. And then we had a further breakdown here to the next support zone or support box. So and from there we saw here some choppiness. So and we are still chopping around here in that range. So but obviously the question, and the most important question, is right now, what will be happening next in Bitcoin? What should we expect here in the immediate short term? So and when we are looking here on the 4-hourly chart, it looks like, especially when I look here on the VPVR, that we should expect more downwards pressure here. The question is obviously how low can we go here? So based on the EMA ribbon, we have flipped here bearish again on the EMA ribbon. The stochastic RSI is heavily oversold, so which is normally a good sign. So but with the EMA ribbon, it's not looking good right now. So what I would expect here is a small bounce back to the upside to retest the ribbon, maybe even break through the ribbon all the way up here to this upper resistance level of this resistance box at 40,882, and then see a potential move to the downside, and then quite a steeper one than before. So this one could actually go down. Let me show it to you guys here, all the way down to around $36,000 before we see then here move back to the upside. So it is what it is, guys. I have to show you what's in the charts. That's what I expect here for the immediate short term. So then when we're looking on the 1-hourly chart, also here, it's not looking good. We see the stochastic RSI is overbought. So, and that is another indication that we should see here further correction to the downside, and also a break of this resistance zone here that, from $38,500 to $39,000 approximately. So here on the weekly chart, on the other hand, there we are still looking a little bit more bullish. So because we are still maintaining this upward sloping support line for the time being. So and we are sitting here also on a crucial level, because we have also here this downward sloping resistance, maybe soon again support line that Bitcoin is fighting with. So if we can manage to close above $39,200, then we are above both lines, obviously, and then we can also expect further movement here to the upside. And don't get me wrong here, guys, I'm absolutely certain that in the immediate short term, as I had told you a couple of days ago, that we will see a major move here back to the upside for Bitcoin, and that we will not see these kind of prices here again in the near future. So, but until that moment, we have to be prepared for further downwards movement before we get here a crazy move to the upside. So the another point that I want to make here is that shorts are still highly over leveraged. So a short squeeze is also absolutely imminent here right now. We can go back here to the daily chart. So what we can also observe here is that this neckline here of this old M pattern is still acting as support, because we got a nice bounce from the back to the upside. So but now here on the volume profile, the $39,000 range is giving us some resistance. So even though if we are slightly above this, until this candle is closed above this volume bar, it's still acting as resistance, and is acting as a magnet and tries to pull down the price here again. So what I would expect here is once we are breaking, let's say the $43,000 range, is that we see here a massive move directly up to around $50,000, and that will be then the short squeeze that we are anticipating here right now on this channel. So we have to be just here a little bit more patient. So when we go here one more time back to the weekly chart, and we are looking here, for example, on the MACD. So then we can see here these red candles, they are getting smaller and smaller and also lighter. So, and I have explained to you already many times, when they're getting lighter and the blue line is coming up here, wants to cross the red line, this is giving a buy signal once we are having this cross. So, and then we have here a much smaller red candle, something that we see here. And that is then just the moment before we break a bullish again. So, because if we compare this here to the moment, you can see, so we have already a couple candles before bottomed out here. So here the last 4 candles. So we are actually here right now, in my opinion, in the 4th candle before we see here another 3 candles and then flipping green again, or maybe even only 3 candles and flipping green here again on the MACD. So, and that obviously will result then here in a crazy move back to the upside in much higher prices than we are right now. So if I look here on the calendar, I would say it's maybe another 2 weeks away that we are finally breaking out here out of this choppy range and kind of flip finally bullish again. So I have to say, when I look here back now on the weekly chart, I'm not really bullish here unless we are breaking here, let's say, around $46,000. So once we are breaking through this, I will be in 100% bull mode again. But until then, between 46 and here, what is it? 34, 34. So here in that range, 46 to 34, there it's just range bound right now concerning the price. So, and we can obviously trade this in that range. So, but you have to be careful. There's a lot of volatility right now in the market. I'm actually trading right now. I have a trade open, which is in a slight loss right now. So you're just 10%. So now it's going a little bit up again. So it's a $420,000 trade that I have here open on Phemex. If you also want to trade in this volatile market, then you can still go under my video. There's a link to BYBIT and to Phemex on both exchanges. You still get a bonus for signing up. BYBIT $4,100, on Phemex $5,100, only with my link, guys. Don't forget. So, and when we are looking then on Ethereum, there we have a similar scenario than what we're seeing on Bitcoin. So just with the difference that Ethereum is fighting here back a little bit. So we're above the golden ratio for Ethereum, which is right now a good sign. So, and Ethereum is pushing here higher. If this candle can flip into green, that would bring me definitely into bull mode for Ethereum in the immediate short term. So, but if it stays like this, it could be also that we see the next candle here dropping to the downside, breaking here the 0.618 level and falling then most likely to 0.786 at $2,460 for Ethereum. If we can maintain to stay above this upward sloping support line and the golden ratio, then we will most likely go here higher and try to climb here all the way up once again at the 0.382, $2,762 level, as we have tried here already. And then we got here this dump to the downside. So that is my immediate short-term outlook, what I believe is going to happen in the market, guys. Don't forget that I have also a paid signals group. If you want to join the signals group, don't forget, last week was amazing. Even though we had not a good market conditions, we were still killing it. So the link is in the description of the video. Please use only the link in the description, even though the link is also in the pinned comment, just to make sure that you don't fall for any scammers, guys. And then just get in touch with my staff and they will hook you up for the paid channel. Or you can also definitely join for free the free channel. The link is just under the paid one. Guys, that's it already for today's episode. If you enjoyed this video, please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I will see you again tomorrow.